Hello guys, welcome to the channel NY Skills. In this video, we will cover next two commands of AutoCAD, that is how to draw a circle and how to draw arc in AutoCAD. Now let's start with the circle. In order to get the circle, press over the circle there in the draw toolbar. Now they are asking for specifying the center point. Now select your center point. This is our center, and now they're asking to specify radius of the circle. At what radius you want to draw the circle, at what radius you want to draw the circle. So let's say the radius is 600. Press enter. You can see here, this is our circle. So this is how we can draw circle in AutoCAD. You can get the circle with the only C command. Press C, press enter. You can see here that we have got circle over here. Now you can draw circle of any radius. Now let's move forward to the arc command. At first, erase all objects by selecting and press delete. So we have erased all objects. Now in order to get the arc command, press over the arc command given there. You can see here arc is here. Now they're asking to specify start point of the arc, and there a bracket there is written center. So we can draw arc by directly selecting the start point and the second point. You can see. Now click on the next point to get an arc. So you can see we have got an arc. Now again press enter to get to the arc command. Let's draw it with the center. They're asking to specify center point of the arc. Now it depends on you to where you want to click. Let's click here. Like this is the center command, and now they are asking to specify start point of the arc, from which point you want to start. This is our point, so starting point. And now we have to specify the end point of the arc. This is our end point. So this is how we can draw an arc in AutoCAD. These two commands are very important, that is circle and arc command. In future there are many objects in which these commands are used so much. So that was all about the circle command and arc command in AutoCAD, which is very simple. You have seen. In circle we have drawn a circle with the just entering the radius. Now we can draw a circle with the given diameter. Like select the center point. Now here in the bracket you can see the diameter. Press over the diameter. Now give the diameter which you want to draw a circle. Let's say it is 500. So this is a circle of diameter 500. That was all about the arc and circle command which are used in AutoCAD. Knowing all the commands, you can easily draw a 2D object, and you will inshallah draw a 3D object also by watching our videos completely from the start to the end. So with this point I would like to end my video, and if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, and hope you guys will like the background music. If you have any problem, you can comment here. Inshallah I will clear it to you what I can. Thank you.